Okay, so in this video, I'm going to start a new series in which we'll learn Excel automation in general, and I want to start by teaching about pandas here. So this is a data analysis library. Let's just start writing some code and I'll explain as we go. This is the IDE that I'm going to use. This is called Spyder and it comes with Anaconda. So you can download Anaconda if you want this. And this is the code section here. This here is the IPython interpreter here, and this is the file explorer. So basically it shows the files present in this folder here, and I've already created a file with this name. Yeah, let's get started with this. So I import pandas. It's import pandas, so you must have that installed first. So this is like a standard. We import it as PD. So whenever we write PD, it means pandas. And the very first command that I will write is to read a CSV into the as a data frame. So let me first write the command and then explain to it. So I'll write a df, and this is like a variable name. It could be anything like a, b, or like let me write like x is equals to pd. So pd means here pandas dot read underscore csv, and here I will have to write the file name with the absolute or the relative path. So I have the files here, as you can see, in the same folder as my program. So I will only write the relative path, that is only the file name. So also I can like copy here the relative path from the file explorer and paste it here in as a string. So like this, and basically what this does, it will read this CSV file. Also let me show this CSV file to you. So this is the CSV file. This is basically some stock data from the National Stock Exchange, and so yeah, you can see the various columns and other things. Yeah, this is text, and then this is floating point numbers, and this is again text. This is a date. So this is the file here. So this is the file we are reading, and so what this function does, read underscore CSV, it will take this file from this location and read it and convert it into a data frame. So a data frame is what? A data frame is Pandas way to interpret a table. So in a table we call it data frame in Pandas. Okay, so let's just first of all save this, and like I told you, this is a file explorer, and here we have a variable explorer as well. So let's run this program first, and then I explain the various features of this IDE and other things. So when I run this, you can see this that we have successfully run this and there is no error. And here we can see in the variable explorer we have a new variable. So what the variable explorer does is that it will show me all the variables that are present, that are created at the time the program is executed. So for example, I write here as a is equals to 2. So it will show in the variable explorer uh, like this is an integer and its size is 1, and etc, etc, all the other things. For example, I create another variable, I create a list. So like 1 comma 2 comma, and let's enter a string, then I'll hit enter. So it will show up here as well. So this is what the variable explorer is, and this really helps in when we try to do some data analysis. In this feature is really helpful in that. Also this, we can see the size here. I'll explain that in some time, but for now, as you can like infer, this is the size 1, this is size 3. So this is somewhat like the table size. Okay, so rows and columns. So we see that we have the data frame here, we have the table here as a data frame now. Also, like if we want, we can open this up, like double click on this, so it will open it as a table here. So this is just a IDE specific feature, and this is really helpful in our analysis sometimes because it gives us a ready-made tool to view the data and get a feel like what's there, what is not there, and how do we do it. If not, if there sometimes it's not possible to view it here, then you can also do this in this variable explorer. If we encounter some temporary variables, then we can view them here. Like this variable is not, it's not possible to view it in the Excel, so you can view this here. So this is like the very first command of pandas. So we now have the data as our data frame. So that's it for this video. Next time what I'll do is I'll explain some more functions regarding how to take the information of the table. Do subscribe to the channel and like the video if you have gained some information from this. Also give me suggestions in the comments on what you would like to see in this tutorial series. If there is any specific function, anything that you are not capable to do, and I'll cover it here.